I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make birria quesadillas. First, you'll need to prepare your birria. This involves slow cooking beef until it's incredibly tender, then shredding it. Don't forget to save that flavorful consommé, as it's essential for dipping and adding moisture. This foundational step ensures your quesadillas will be packed with authentic taste and a delightful texture. Now let's assemble. Dip a corn tortilla into the warm birria consommé, coating both sides. Place it on a hot griddle. On one half of the tortilla, layer a generous portion of your shredded birria meat. Then, add a substantial amount of melting cheese, such as Oaxaca or Monterey Jack, over the meat. This creates the perfect base for a gooey, savory quesadilla. Once assembled, cook your quesadilla on the griddle. Watch as the cheese begins to melt and bubble, enveloping the birria. Carefully fold the tortilla in half, pressing down gently to ensure everything adheres. Continue cooking for a few minutes on each side until the tortilla is beautifully golden brown and crispy. This step is crucial for achieving that satisfying crunch. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your delicious birria quesadillas. Present them hot, alongside a small bowl of the rich birria consommé for dipping. Garnish with fresh cilantro and finely diced white onion for added flavor and texture. A squeeze of fresh lime juice will brighten everything up, completing this incredible culinary experience. Enjoy every savory bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.